Joining us today is Jess Hodges, Carlisle Homes Interior Design Manager. With over 15 years of experience and multiple industry awards under her belt, Jess has a unique ability to create interior spaces that are both stylish and functional. Jess, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me, Emily.
Thank you. So first of all, let's talk about your inspiration behind the interior scheme for the Rothfield Grand Deluxe Theatre Atrium 54. What was your vision for this home?
Look, I think the vision for this home was just to create a really luxurious, high-end, like boutique hotel vibe almost, but keeping that affordable luxury element in mind. So we just wanted the space to feel high-end, welcoming, like you're visiting your favourite hotel. I think this home really lends itself to our second and third home buyers. I mean, we've designed this home with affordable luxury in mind.
So Jess, let's dive into the details. What are the signatures or the highlights of this interior scheme?
We've applied the Luxe Noir interior scheme. Things to consider when you're creating the Luxe Noir scheme would be things like your rich timber elements. So you can see behind us, we've actually applied it to some elements in the kitchen. Just adds a bit of a warmth to a space. Things like your marbles and your stone as well. Again, just reinforcing that luxurious feel. When you get to things like soft furnishings and fabrics, you could look at things like your velvets. Consider the pattern as well in your scatter cushions and things like soft rugs, luxurious rugs, all just reinforce that look and feel that we were trying to achieve.